A very good morning to all of you and a very happy Valentine's Day. Besides the fact it is Valentine's Day, it's an even more precious, special and valued day to see our little stars shining with their performances and showcasing their varied talent. Isn't it a great combination, folks? Yes, love and our loved ones. It's all about the love today, love for nature, love for animals and of course, love for mankind. You heard it right. Our theme for the day revolves around love for our environment and Mother Nature. Our little ones have put on their best efforts to spread the message across. On behalf of the entire OI team, I take immense pleasure in welcoming each of you present here for the most awaited event of the year, the Little Stars Day. First and foremost, I'm extremely honored in welcoming our head of OI Play Schools, Mr. Rangarajan, for this unique event. Welcome, sir. A gracious welcome to all the dearest parents who have constantly extended their love and support to us in the learning journey of your little ones. Dear parents, a very hearty welcome to all of you again. A special welcome to our loved ones, our little stars who are the real stars of this fabulous day. Welcome, kids. I hope and request your cooperation throughout this program to make it a grand success. Once again, a warm welcome to all of you. A special request for all the people out here to watch our performances with all your attention as we have some surprises in store for all of you as well. Thank you. We at OI ignite the young minds with our fuel Sparks methodology to lighten the bright minds. Light is power, light is the base, light brings in existence. No wonder with so much importance of light in our lives, we always light lamps to invoke special beginnings. Now we will have our traditional lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Almighty to bless us with peace, wisdom and prosperity. I now request our Play School's head, Mr. Rangarajan, our academic head, Mrs. Radhika Rao, our center manager, Mrs. Aarti Kapoor, and all the proud moms of PP2 to come on near the lamp lighting area and inaugurate today's program. Thank you. May I request the PP2 teacher, Mrs. Kalyani, to please get one of your kids to give the flower bouquet to our head of Play School, Mr. Rangarajan sir, and also to all the proud moms of PP2. Please, ma'am. May I ask the proud moms to share their views regarding the journey at OI? Can one of you please volunteer and share your views?
It was great and my son is doing very well. I thank all the teachers and Kalyani ma'am for doing such a wonderful thing.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So, any more volunteers? Ma'am, we need the right spirit for the day. It's all about children. Lady in red, Valentine's Day.
Hello everyone. We all feel happy when our children are happy. I see my child going to school very happily. She returns back happily and she remains happy. That's what I feel while sending to OI. That is what the greatest achievement I had. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That sounds really happy. We all feel so energized with all these encouraging words. Thank you so much. A very familiar name in our OI family, who has been a constant inspiration and support to all of us for anything small or big. She is none other than our academics head, Mrs. Radhika Rao. I now request you, ma'am, to please come onto the stage and address the gathering. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Dharani. Thank you all parents for being here. It's nice to see you year on year. Our family, OI family is growing and wonderful participation, parents. Thank you. A very good morning, parents. I take this opportunity to welcome all the parents, grandparents and our little ones on our Little Stars Day, which is the most awaited event as Dharani has already told. So I would take you just through the current year developments and achievements what OI as an organization has moved ahead. As you all are aware, OI Play School is an initiative of People Combined, a group that has pioneered and redefined the way education is perceived in India. Started in the year 2010 with the first branch at Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad, OI has spread its wings in multiple cities, winning the most prestigious title of being the fastest growing preschool chain in India. I guess parents, that deserves a huge round of applause. Thank you. Having said this, as an organization, OI mostly focuses safety and security of children as our priority. It's of utmost importance, so we have taken huge measures to ensure that our little ones are safe in your absence. So the first important step we have taken is training all our teachers, sub-staff, daycare supervisors on the basic life support system, which is the BLS organized by the Yashoda hospitals. So all our staff are trained to take care of the emergency situations in case they may occur. And other than this, we have trained our staff on fire drill, fire safety equipment. Along with that, we have installed shadow-free CCTV cameras across all our campuses to ensure that your children are safe and always monitored. And the best and the good news is very soon you would be getting a live. You can watch your children live at our centers, how they are doing, what they are doing, under whose guidance are they throughout the day, which is, I guess, is a huge blessing. Thank you. Along with that, you would have noticed the parents who come and drop their children. You would have noticed our lady security guards appointed. So whenever our children are around whole morning, we will have the lady security guards to take care of our children. So having said this, this assures that the children are in safe hands. We will look at the other accomplishments we as an organization has moved on. OI Play School Jubilee Hills has been awarded as the fourth consecutive year among the top 10 preschools in Hyderabad by the Education World magazine. Yes, once again. And at the same time, not just Jubilee Hills. Now we come to Manikonda Center. Another landmark milestone of OI Play School is that our Jubilee Hills, Manikonda and HSR Layout Bangalore centers have been listed among the top 2020 preschools in Hyderabad and Bangalore by the National School Excellence Awards. So now our Manikonda has also joined the bandwagon of a lot of accomplishments. And OI Play School has been listed among the top 100 franchisee opportunities for the year 2014-15 by the Franchisee World magazine. So it's one of the most desired play schools for the franchisees too. And as your children, as parents, you would have seen the Little Idols contest which we have conducted in this current year 2014-15, which has received huge appreciation and participation. Around 900 plus participants have appeared, and it was a wonderful, successful milestone in our journey, I guess. And the last year we saw varied events and happenings that touched us, inspired us and taught us. All through, the whole team has put in continued efforts towards quality improvement in every aspect of our work. We at OI continuously strive and set standards for ourselves and try to achieve them. In this regard, I would like to share that TAB learning has been initiated as part of student learning, and it has been integrated along with our curriculum. As we know, technology has taken a very integral part in our lives, as it excites the child and stimulates them to become a part of their learning too. And we can conduct assessments, reinforcement, a lot of activities which has enhanced our curriculum. At the same time, we have introduced Nutri Snack, which is a healthy, nutritious snack for all our children. And I guess many moms are looking forward because the children would love to eat with their friends at the center. So each year, we have initiated motion sensor games also along with the tabs, which will take care that the children's gross motor development also is assured. So each year lays the foundation for ideas and improvement in the year to come. So the coming year would be more promising and defining too with the new goals. So I guess you would be looking forward to know what are the new things which we have come up with in the coming year. So we have looked at various changes, In the first and foremost would be the next academic session would be starting in the month of April. Yes, parents, you heard it right. It's going to start in the month of April. So for 3 weeks, between 6th April to 24th April, we would be conducting a next year's session. After 3 weeks, we will have our regular exciting summer camp going on, and at the same time, the session starts in the second week of June, again for the session. So your children will be engaged very actively and prepared for the next session. So we have taken the steps, and I guess the children will easily get into the new grade smoothly because they're already in the flow of learning. And another major step would be increasing the toddler and nursery timings by an hour. So right now our children are with us for 2.5 hours. Yes, parents, you can clap. I can see a few parents wanting to clap. You are welcome. So our toddler and nursery parents, children would be with us for 3.5 hours from the coming session onwards. That would be from April onwards. And another most important would be we have boosted our student kit. We have enhanced it by adding more reading program related materials like picture vocabulary book, there's a Hindi book for the PP2s, rhyme CD, story book. So major changeover has happened in terms of the student kit too. And we would be sharing a hard copy of the passport as well, which would add to the student kit. So our focus this year will be on increasing our level of responsibility and accountability in all areas as an organization. So the performance would be based on this. So in all these efforts, we would need your support. As parents, you are our partners at all the levels, and I sincerely again thank all of you for giving your continuous support and participation in all the events, in all the learnings what we are making you all do at the weekends and all. And our journey continues. I would not make you wait for further. I know you are waiting for your little ones to perform. Just I would be leaving with a very good note, one beautiful quote. A child is like a butterfly in the wind. Some can fly higher than others, but each one flies the best he can. Why compare one against the other? Each one is different, each one is special, each one is beautiful. Thank you very much, parents. Please sit back, enjoy. And last but not the least, we would be sharing the videos and the photographs of the whole program. So please sit back and just refrain from coming forward to obstruct the view of the other parents sitting behind. So please enjoy, have a wonderful weekend, happy Valentine's Day, and enjoy every moment of it. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those wonderful updates. I'm sure you all heard a lot of good news about watching your kids live as well from next year. Thanks, ma'am. One small request, parents. I see a lot of kids unattended to the right side of the stage area. Can you please, I request all the parents to take their respective kids along and make sure they are attended to. Thank you. May I please call upon our Head of Play Schools, Mr. Rangarajan sir, on the stage for a moment. Thank you. We now have Ananya from nursery to hand over the bouquet to Mr. Rangarajan. Thank you, sir. Thanks, Ananya. Here to Lord Ganesha with a mesmerizing dance performance by our lovely ladies of nursery PP1 and PP2. Parvika, Salvi, Nikita, Tanvi, Nitya and Divya from nursery. Archana from PP1, Adya, Manya and Lasya from PP2. Please welcome them with a loud round of applause. Wasn't that a mesmerizing performance? I'm sure you all had a great time watching those lovely ladies around. I now request our center manager, Mrs. Aarti Kapoor, to come onto the stage and distribute the certificates to all the participants. I also request Amrita ma'am to please come onto the stage to coordinate the distribution. Thank you. One more round of applause, friends. The participants are one more time: Parvika, Sanvi, Likita, Sanvi, Nitya, and Vidya from nursery, Archana from PP1, Adya, Manya, and Nasya from PP2. Thank you so much, kids. Thanks, ma'am. Thanks, Amrita. The next performance is Snakes Day Out. Biology says all snakes crawl, but our cute snakes are quite different. They are not only cute, but also they are multi-talented. Dance, swim, jump, the list goes on. They can just do anything. Enjoy the slithering snake performance by our sweetheart toddler group. They are the young tender buds, the tiny thoughts of our OI Play School, our toddler group. Please welcome them with a loud round of applause. More energy required here. They look energetic than all of us. Please cheer them up. Please give them encouragement. Look at the slithering snake.
Let us all of us put your hands together and encourage the
respective class teacher to come onto the stage and distribute the certificates to all the participants. Thank you. Thanks kids, one more time. Please keep encouraging them. All the toddler class parents, I request you to be on the left side of the stage to collect the respective kids. All the parents of toddler age group, I request you to please come on to the left side of the stage.
Good morning everyone, all lovely parents, and happy Valentine's Day. And definitely it will be a very interesting round for toddlers, especially parents who are watching them. Their sweetheart first time on the stage definitely will be very different feeling for them. And even toddler kids also did very good performance, and I want to congratulate all the OI teachers to make the kids perform very well on the stage first time. And I would like to tell all the parents, please encourage your kids not only studies, other than the studies, cultural activities and sports are also very important nowadays, because everybody knows that actors and sportsmen, they make more money than the engineers and the doctors. And along with the studies, I request every parent to consider the kids' talent also at the same time. Thank you so much.
There are a lot of cultures and varied heritage throughout the country. The next performance is a stunning performance depicting the varied culture of India. Please welcome all the kids with a round of applause. Unlike today, do you remember the days where there was only Doordarshan? Yes, it's time to get into a flashback for a while, folks. The very name Doordarshan reminds us a famous song which depicts our unity in varied cultures. Any guesses? Anybody wants to guess what's the song? Yes, you're right. That's Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. That's all. The one and only Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. Get engrossed into the beauty of our rich heritage and culture. A loud round of applause one more time. It's going to be a stunning performance.
Ditang bole, ke madole tan dole, karanando chole, akat bhore jujona. Ditang bole, ke madole tan dole, karanando chole, akat bhore jujona. Aaj bisho bole, ei mate dhara kole, aaj hasir kolo lole, nuton jibon goriya. Aaj bisho bole, ei mate dhara kole, aaj hasir kolo.
Thank you.
Okay. One more round of applause to all the participants. Here I read out the names. It's Sanika, Srinita, Amod, Abhiram, Palani, Arjun, Kaushik Vardhan, Haindavi, Amrita, Vignata, Havisha, Yashmit, Sriram, Adrit, Taman, Mausika and Kartikeya. One more round of applause to all the participants. I request all the parents to please come on to the left side of the left side of the stage and please collect your respective kids and move on to the green room. One more time, I request the class teacher to please coordinate with the parents. Our nursery kids are no different. It's almost the end of our academic year and they're already enjoying their holiday in advance. It's going to be real fun to watch these cutie pies performing for this famous Piggy and Cookie song sung by the famous singer Cleopatra. Enjoy. Hands together to cheer them up. They're all dressed up for a holiday, the much awaited holiday. It's the famous Zunia Zunia dance by Cleopatra. Lot of encouragement. Parents, I don't want you all to disperse right now, please. Please stay off your chairs and encourage the little ones for their hard work. Thank you so much. I'm sure all of you are already checking your calendars for your vacations. Plan it good. All the best. It was such a refreshing performance. Thank you, kids. One more round of applause for all these beautiful kids. Parents, please stay glued to your chairs. We request you all to please be there in the last performance. I now request our center manager, Mrs. Aarti Kapoor, to please come on to the stage with the respective class teachers to distribute the certificates. Do we really match the energy of these kids? I don't think so. Look at them. They got up so early today. Still the energy is on. I request you all to please match their energy levels. Thank you so much. I request the respective class teachers to please coordinate with the parents to move up, to get them moving to the green rooms. Thank you. Wonderful performance are Aditya, Anvi, Annamalai, Arinjay, Arjun, Geetya, Dhruv, Ikshu, Jayant, Jaydev, Nitya, Niyati, Rayu, Tarun, Vedant, Vilok and Naisha. Please cheer them up with another round of applause. One is a cute, one is a sweet. They just want to watch out. Watch out, our nursery bunny is having a fun ride in this warm weather. Let's go on a long ride with them. Please welcome them with a loud round of applause.
Who's the lucky one next? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. The question is, how many states we have covered in relation to Mera Kumara? Can someone help me please here? No cheating, ma'am. You need to answer now. I'm only seeking the help of family if I can say so. Okay, call a friend. Helpline, please. Someone can help her. How many states have we covered in the Millage to Mera Kumara Gala? Anyone? 10 states. I know that's too much, but any more guesses? Is that fine? Is that yes, fine? We're taking answers, so we'll wait for another minute. Alright. Who's saying 5? Okay, the correct answer is not the correct answer yet. We are still waiting for the right answer. So we need a lot of attention from you for the next performance. This means you're not paying attention. That's a very good answer.
I think the parents are too focused to see their kids enjoying on the stage rather than thinking about the treatment coming across. So thank you again for making them participate.
This answer is accepted. So the right answer is 4. Yes? Thank you. So claps to Ketki ma'am. She answered it right. Now round of applause. Here is playgroup. One more round of check. Yes? We are randomly choosing the lucky ones now.
The question is, how many boys there in the first performance?
I repeat, the question is, how many boys were there in the first performance?
Wrong answer.
Please tell me what was the first performance? First was the welcome song and no boys in that. Someone answered it right, no boys in the first performance. Yes. Thanks all for participating. Thank you so much. We're already on with the next performance. This is the famous Copa dance. Many dances by Rashmi Ketri. Now round of applause. The name of the participants is Pengi Dance With Me song are Abhay, Tanvi, Arav, Sai Harsha, Priti Agarwal, Komal Verma, Dharneshwar, Anshul, Nikita, Praneet Sai, Anish Reddy, Ronit, Mithil, Sukrit, Sai Ojasvi, and Ananya. Another round of applause to all the lovely kids here. They are from the nursery group. Now we have a special talent show. Why is a talent house and we encourage all our children to bring out their best. As a part of this journey, we have a special talent showcase by one of our PP1 kid, Archana. Please welcome her with a big round of applause. She is from PP1 and her name is Archana.
The next performance is going to be a skit and dance by our PT1 students, a role model, or I would rather say their hero. We hear just one name all around. Yes, it's our very own Beam, Chota Beam. Let's welcome our talented PT1 kids showcasing one of the savior acts by the superhero Beam. Ramzan Zamora, let's get into it and enjoy the skit and a dance of Chota Beam and team. Please welcome them with a round of applause. Thank you.
Deep in the jungles of Dholakpur, there live all animals in peace and harmony. With a greed to make money at the cost of the lives of poor and innocent animals, there comes a wicked species called man to lay a trap. Watch out, there are two monkeys coming out and playing happily in the forest of Dholakpur. And there goes a wicked trap as well in the same forest. No baby, don't run so fast, you'll get hurt.
No, Mummy, I'm big and I can take care of myself. Oh, I'm sorry, Mama. I should have listened to you.
No baby, don't cry, I will save you somehow. But how? The mother monkey is so helpless and looking out for some help. Meanwhile, there are two villagers walking into the forest to reach the next village. What an easy way it is to cross this forest to reach the next village. This forest is so pleasant. Hey, stop there! Look there! Looks like some danger waiting. There's an angry and furious monkey there. Let's inform our king.
Your Highness, we have a problem. There is an angry monkey which is not letting us to cross the forest. Please help in resolving this.
Very strange. These days all those calm animals are acting wild. There should be something weird happening. Let me call Beam to find out the exact reason. Beam, Beam, Beam.
Yes, Your Highness. Please let me know your order.
These villagers are facing some trouble with a ferocious monkey in the usually calm forest. Please go and see what is happening.
As you say, Majesty.
And Beam and team goes into the forest looking for the furious monkey and the reason for its acting wild.
It is not an angry monkey. It looks as thought it is seeking our help. Let's look into it. Yes, I thought so. The baby monkey is in the trap. What do we do now?
Folks, watch out there. The Beam's team is in action now. They are now discussing as how to rescue the helpless mother monkey to get its baby out from the trap. They are in action. They are discussing something. Looks like Beam is going to come up with a great solution for this problem. Yes, they found a rope finally. That's like Beam. That's a great idea from Green to rescue the helpless monkey in the trap. Thanks, Beam. Not every human being is as kind as you are.
Yes, man is becoming greedy, and therefore the harmony in nature is losing its balance. Let's be kind to all the animals and save nature. Live and let live.
Look at the happy team of Beam, now rejoicing their victory for getting the monkey out and helping the mother monkey. What a great reunion it is to see the whole of Beams together. Please encourage them with a round of applause.
Beam is now going to come with his signature dance performance. Please welcome the whole of Beam's team with a round of applause for an amazing and magical dance performance, Zam Zam the Boga, for saving the monkey and his baby. Please welcome them for the celebration. Thank you.
Everywhere, love to do all magic fair. Zim zam everywhere, it's magic time from nowhere. Hey, so zim zam everywhere, it's magic time from nowhere. I teach you such good magic, all things will flow.
Oh, that's magical. All your hands together, parents. This is such a magical performance.
It's magic time for you right now, right here, right here. Zoom, zoom, zim, zam, zamboo. It's magic time from nowhere. I teach you such good magic. All things will flow in there. Floating there to cross the hill. Make the time come to a still. Walk on water with this new skill. Hamaraga at your will. Zoom, zoom. Learn all the magic tricks with mesmerizing spell. Freeze all the river waters and crush mountains as well. Zoom, zoom. Zim zam zamboo, it's magic time from nowhere. I teach you such good magic, all things will float in thin air. Hey, don't multiply, keep that in, don't be shy, double up, be naughty, some more, 2, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Zoom, add it all, multiply, cry this little solution. Make the process see the stars with this great magic illusion. Zoom, blow off the burning sun, switch on the moonlit night, go save the world that's guiding light to now, to ride. Zoom, zim zam zamboo, it's magic time from nowhere. I teach you such good magic, all things will float in thin air. Zoom, hey zoom, you can carry your love through, keep on out to juggle. It's magic time for you right now, right here. Zoom, zoom, zim zam zamboo, it's magic time from nowhere. I teach you such good magic, all things will float in thin air. Zoom, giddy chakaka makaka zoom.
Wasn't that a mesmerizing performance? I guess you all tap your feet too for this lovely performance. And yes, don't leave the moral behind. Save animals and maintain the balance in the nature. Let's give a healthy environment for our future generations. I now request our Center Manager Mr. Sarthi Kapoor with the respective class teachers to please come out to the stage and distribute the certificates to all the participants. The participants in this wonderful skit and dance are Pratyush, Akshita, Advait,
of applause, all your hands together for this wonderful performance. Thank you. With the Zanzan Zagora. Yes? Yes? I don't hear a voice. It's not evening. It's just the mid-morning. Please all your hands together and please encourage the little talent. Thank you so much.
What is the name of King of Snake?
What is the name of king of all the snakes? We have an answer here.
Cobra. No, Cobra is the snake. Takshaka or Adishesha? Vasuki, whoever made.
I think sir is sharing us some mythological knowledge now. Thank you so much. I guess all the answers are right here, so we can't really be biased now. It's Adishesha and Cobra, both I believe.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thanks for the participation.
Thank you.
Can I have the name of the parent?
I am Venkatesh Karlu, Chief Copy Editor of Chhatrapati, retired. I am the Sakesh grandpa.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
We will have another round of chit and then we will move on to the next performance, the PP2 skit and dance. Yes, what is the theme of today's program? What is the theme of today's program? Any answers? Yes, what is the theme of today's program? Anyone can say what is the theme of today's program? All the performances are there. Anyone can guess what is that? Love. I want more answers. Please come from this side. Please tell me. Attention parents and save the animals. Live and let live. Yes, you are a little bit near, but I want more correct answer. Please come to this side. Yes, please tell me. Love for Mother Nature. Oh, she was a little bit there, but think more the things, props and the things on the stage. What are the things are there on the stage? Yeah. Yes, we have few answers here. One moment. Yeah, thank you so much for your participation. It's a theme for this. Excuse me. I'm sorry. There's another answer coming up. Okay. It's about animals, and we have another answer as well. One moment.
That is love nature, animals, and mankind. Okay, jungle.
Yes, that's correct. We want a single word, but very good. Yes, thank you so much, sir. You are from what is your kid's name? Thanks all for the lovely answers.
My kid's name is Arnav. PP1.
Thank you very much, sir. Once upon a time, in the deep jungles of Indian forest, there lived all animals in happiness, harmony and peace. There was no violence, no destructions, and they were all living in peace and harmony together. Look at those happy tigers. Look at all those happy and blessed ones. They all get from nature what they want. Ask them food, they get it from the nature. Mother, I'm thirsty, they get water from the flowing love of Mother Nature. Just ask them for anything, is right on the lap of the beautiful Mother Nature. Look at those happy and blessed ones. They just name it and they get it from the Mother Nature. They are so happy and it's a moment for them to rejoice and live happily in the blessings of Mother Nature. Let's tap our foot and join them for a happiness dance in this beautiful tribal world. Let's welcome them all for a Jigova dance for celebrating their happiness with Mother Nature. Stay tuned for a magical performance by our lovely PP2 kids. Technology and name of civilization, they entered a threat. What is this search for? Search for cruelty, search for violence, search for destruction. What is man searching for? This is called the search for end. What is this modern man up to when Mother Nature has given everything?
I get more money with this than with this tiger. Then I become a rich. I get more money by selling this tiger. Then I will become very rich. Ha 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 ha. I get more money selling the wood. Ha 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 ha. I'm very happy.
Man thinks he is very happy by searching for an end to himself. Is this what we are looking for? What's next? Man has paid for his sins. This is the result of the modern man's actions. Is this what we want to give our future generations, where there was a happiness only before, and now look at the scene change altogether? There is no food, no water, and only scarcity by all means. Man has paid for his mistakes. Look what comes next. Look at those sad faces which were happy once upon a time. Watch out carefully, all the folks here. This is what happens when there is a lot of destruction all around. Yes, the only question is what to do now after all our sins. What next? Man started thinking all over again. He started repenting and regretting for all his mistakes. Let's see what comes next. Yes, there comes the solution. Man is redoing and reconstructing all together again. See, we have a solution. Let's plant more trees. He is replanting all the forest together again. There comes another solution. Let's protect animals. Let's save trees. Let's save wildlife. Let's plant more. Let's save trees. Let's save ourselves. We're all happy and back together again. Wow, what a relief to see all these blessed people again. Feeling so happy. Please clap for them. All your hands together. This wonderful performance. All your hands together. For this lovely performance, one more time. All your hands together, one more time. Come on, clap your hands. Beat two with them. One more time, guys. I don't get anything. A loud round of applause for the beautiful kids of PP2. Thank you, kids. Thanks for your wonderful performance. One more time, we are emphasizing on saving nature. Wasn't that a marvelous performance? Let's all give it a thought. As a final note for the day, let's take an oath to save our nature, to save ourselves and save our future generations. Thank you so much. I now request our Center Manager, Mrs. Aarti Kapoor, to please come onto the stage and distribute the certificates to the participants along with the respective class teachers. Loud round of applause one more time for the wonderful performance. The lovely participants for this beautiful skit are Kumaran, Sudhish, Darshit, Lohit, Bhavesh, Aditya, Navadi, Lasya, Adya, Akhil, Nayanika, Akshay, Mariam, Venisha, Aditi, Manya and Shreyas. Hands together one more time. Ma'am?
Dear all, a very good afternoon. I am sure all of you are now more energized after the series of wonderful performances. What a fun-filled day it was. My sincere thanks to each of our present here today on behalf of entire OI team. First and foremost, I would like to thank lovely kids for excellent performance.
positive and keeping up their energy level so high. I would like to mention a special thanks to the entire management of Oak Ridge for supporting for the whole day. If you want to know about admission process in Oak Ridge, please reach out to the front office. I would also like to thank Mr. Rangarajan, our OI family head, for his continuous and valuable support for this special day. My heartfelt thanks to our wonderful teachers for their hard work and all the efforts to make their kids perform so well for the day. They are the pillars of the day. Dear teachers, you all are amazing, and my special thanks goes to all of you. Last but not the least, I would like to extend my thanks to the entire non-teaching staff for making this day a grand success. The list is still long, and I would like to end my vote of thanks with a grand applause for everyone present here. Thank you for giving this opportunity.